I will explain in this video how to replace a rotating assembly in the pump. Remove the external parts. First, remove the outer coupling guard. After removing the pump coupling guard, next unscrew and remove the pump top casing cover bolts. After remove the stopping bolts and nuts. Uncouple and remove the pump coupling bolts and nuts. Then disconnect and remove the gland hose pipes. Carefully lift and remove the pump top casing cover. After removing the pump top casing cover, now take out the rotating assembly from the bottom casing. To lift the rotating assembly carefully. After lifting the rotating assembly outside the pump casing, after removing the rotating assembly, check the bottom casing. Double pins are in good condition. Open the pump inlet valve for backwashing if required. After removing the rotating assembly, remove the coupling guard and gland hoses completely. Prepare a new rotating assembly. Take the new rotating assembly, install the coupling and gland hose and o-ring properly. Clean the bottom casing. After cleaning the bottom casing, install the rotating assembly. Insert the rotating assembly into the bottom casing. Make sure the double pins are properly aligned. Lock into position using the collar ring locking hole. Check the proper seating the rotating assembly. Prepare and place the gasket. After clean the top casing surface. After cleaning the top casing, install the top casing gasket properly. After insert the gasket is 0.1 mm or 0.2 mm the gasket thickness. After tight the stuffing box bottom bolts are both sides. Rotate the assembly by hand to ensure the smooth and free rotation. After free rotation, to now place the pump top casing cover back. After insert the pump top casing cover back, first tight the stuffing box side bolts evenly on the both sides. Then tight the top casing bolts in cross section opposite side sequentially. Tight the top casing cover bolts cross section sequentially to ensure the proper sealing and alignment. Now tight the coupling bolts. Insert the coupling guard. Thanks for watching this video.